Goodbye. Oh god. Alright. So if you go back into the channel a bit, you'll see that around this time last year, we were running the real estate media company. And a little bit after that, we'd actually decided to shut it down. Now the main reason for this is it wasn't really working at the time. Me and Ethan didn't have the experience needed to actually make it work as much as we tried. But fortunately, because of my experience in doing that, it actually led to something quite interesting, which is what we're doing today. So for the most part, what I was doing day to day was editing, and that's what I was doing. I was still editing real estate videos. But I started talking to someone who I was editing with, and we actually decided to take it a bit further and to actually restart the whole media thing together. So that's who we're meeting today to sort of get things ironed out in what we're doing. Okay, so apart from the meeting, I believe we're shooting a few other properties as well today. So there's 2 in the morning at 10 AM, I think, they're rental properties. And then in the afternoon, there's a video shoot, which should be in about 20 minutes. Hi. Howdy.
How are you, man?
Good.
You had a broker in there, mortgage broker in there before? It's got internet, it's got like pretty fast internet, like 100 megabit connection. So this is my sort of offers. We've got toilet and everything. Take that, and like I took my jacket off and I went to a job. Fucking froze. Jared, this is Sam. He runs office. He's probably Jared's gonna be helping me out with some of my video stuff and. I've seen him before, man, on Insta, I think.
Oh yeah.
See, I told you. He used to work for like this.
He used to do these clips, sponsors and stuff like that.
Yeah,
I remember, man.
Oh, yeah.
So that's what I mean, because he showed me. I'm like, I've seen this before.
Yeah, you were in a wet state.
Yeah.
Yeah, but now he's gonna be on board with us, bro.
Oh, good stuff, man.
We're gonna be big.
Take it out. It'll look better.
This is the property that we're filming, or we're shooting at the moment. And then we're off to another one just after this. And that one's also videos, the next one is videos. Okay, so that's the property we're shooting today, and it looks a lot like the Granville one that we stayed at before. It's like very similar, it's actually in the same area.
Within walking distance to Rockdale train station and the local shopping precinct, I'm so excited to have you through 39 Clarence Road. I nearly had that one.